Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will be reviewing and doing a tutorial, as you can see on my eyes, of Jaclyn Hill Palette. I've been wanting this palette for such a long time. I got this palette for 6,200 rupees from Beauty Point. It's again a beauty store that sells authentic international brands, you know, cosmetics at a very affordable price that we can afford. I know 6,000 is not affordable per se, but it is better than the third-party sellers that we find on Facebook or anywhere else in Pakistan who sell it for like 8,000 rupees, 8,400. Bro, chill, lady, chill. So it's only for $38 in America, and if you add the tax, it's gonna be $40. That's gonna earn like 4,500, 5,000 rupees. But I think they charged us 6,200, which I think is absolutely fabulous. It's a good price, good deal, good bargain. This is the Jaclyn Hill Palette. Should I do that intro? Zoom. Okay, I'm just fooling around. So these are the beautiful 35 shades, and I'm wearing not all, sorry, I'm just saying weird things today. I'm wearing some of the shades on my eyes, and I've tried to do a different look as compared to, you know, people usually stick to the blue and the purple when I know they're to die for. I would love to sink into them and, you know, do an eye look with that. But so many people have done a wonderful job with that. So I'm gonna stick with this area and this area and a bit of mattes and a bit of the greens. I really love these, the olive green and the shimmer green. I think it's fantabulous and beautiful. So, and please don't mind my hair. I had a shower, I shampooed my hair, and then I slept with this hair. And I woke up like this. I was like, okay, let's do a crazy hair look with a good eye makeup, hopefully. First we'll come to the smell. I personally don't like the smell of it. Just like the Makeup Revolution palette, I told you there's a pungent smell. It's very chemically. Over here also it's very chemically. These shades are crazy beautiful. I think you cannot go wrong with this palette. If you have to invest in any big palette that you really want to have on the go and with you everywhere, I think this is great. It has all the mattes that you need. It has all the beautiful electric colors that you need for a party or for an event. It also has all the natural day look colors. It also has all the beautiful neutral pinks and browns and golds that you would need for an event or a subtle look. Yeah, so let's dig into this and then start the eye tutorial. I'm going to show you how I did my eyes, and I hope you guys like it. So let's get started with the palette. I have taped the corner of my eyes so that there's a proper line that is created. I hope they're even. I think they're even. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna go with the shade, this one. It's called Butter. I'm gonna go with Butter and do it on the crease. And now I would go with this color in the palette, Hunts. It's called Hunts. I'm gonna take it very lightly. I'm gonna mix it with the shade Jax, which is a maroon. There we go. This is so far the reddish, orangish, brownish crease. I'm gonna go with the shade Hustle, and we're gonna wet it. Enchanted, this one, the matte. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work my way out into the line and create an eyeliner look. Not exactly eyeliner, but kind of eyeliner. So it's gonna be like that. So here we go. I have not attached the green entirely towards the tear duct of my eye because I want it to be, you know, very subtle transition. I would go with the tear duct, the highlighting shade that I would be using. I'm gonna go with Obsessed, the shimmer shade, Glow. So I'm gonna go with this shade, which has a bit of gold and pink shimmers in it, which is called Sissy. It's called Sissy. I always drag my highlighter if I'm actually doing the look. Let me do the other eye and then I'll come back to you guys. We'll do the rest of the face and the lower lash line, and then we're done with the look. Alright, so this is basically the eye look. I'm gonna remove the tapes now. So now I'll be doing the face. We're gonna go with the foundation. Obviously, this is my Essence Instant Matte. It's actually getting over, so I have to restock it. What I love about winters is that the makeup stays so well and you don't have to worry about anything. Now let's color correct, because this is very important. I use the LA Pro concealer in the color correcting shade Orange. And honestly, I don't use a lot. I squeeze it a little, and that's it, I apply it. So here we go. That's that. And now I'm gonna just spread it out and then let it stay for a while until I apply the concealer. I know there's foundation on top, etc. because I really forgot that I'm gonna apply it in this area, but I think it's gonna be fine. This concealer is quite creamy, so what happens is if I take a brush with the concealer, it spreads all over the place. So to avoid that, I avoid the brush. Okay, so this is how bright the eyes get. I'm digging the green. Okay, I'm gonna go with the shimmery green, which is called Diva. Ooh. I'm gonna get all diva'd up. Alright, that's that. This is the look. And my hair is a mess. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please place a like, share it, subscribe to my channel if you can, and lots more videos in the next week. No, not lots more. The next video in the next week. See you guys next week. Ciao.